Hi, Livy. What you doing? What you doing? You looking for something? We like looking in our toy bin? Yeah. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, Stinker. Come here, look. Show us what you found. What's over here? Yeah. Oh, it's a turtle. Nope, not what we wanted. Put it back. Good girl. Oh, the piano's in there. You found the piano? Did you find the piano? Yeah. 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 Oh, no. Hi. Hi, Sugar. Hi, Sugar. Oh, no. Look at that face. Who could say no to that face? What a cute girl. Are you going to show everybody your teeth? You show everybody your teeth? No, no, no. No, no, no. Let's see those two first. Let's see the two first. There they are. Oh, you cute girl. Livy is going to be 10 months old tomorrow. It's January 14th, and we just moved into our new house in Colorado. You can see her here playing in the living room. Yeah. Over there is baby prison. These are not my curtains. I take no responsibility. Yeah, I do take responsibility for that, though. She looks so cute in the little outfit Grandma got her. There's our dirty dining room and our kitchen. And that's the doorway to our deck and the mountains in the background. Alright, and I better supervise this, so. Okay, Livy, can you say bye-bye? Can we bye-bye? Bye-bye. Okay.